Floor surfaces and furniture are a significant source of dirt and impurity. We will take care about gentle and efficient maintenance of these surfaces. We will also help you with continuous maintenance of healthy environment, at home, at work, wherever. Hot steam has disinfectant effect. Suitable for all surfaces. We can handle every impurity even without using chemical detergents. We ensure a breathtaking outcome even in case of heavy impurity. Treated surfaces remain dry. We look forward to cleaning your premises.